I received this product for you to try, and I am pretty impressed with the variety of colors this set of acrylic markers come in. This is absolutely gorgeous. In the back are a chart of swatches you can go and color with the markers, and inside as well is on a black background. Here the cap of each marker has the number 366, and this is sienna. It's very creamy, and the brush is just soft enough to color. It's such a pleasure to paint with them. So this is the umber 348, and here is only the perforated part, and I was able to separate the card with swatches. And here I have 287, which is periwinkle, and then I have pink lavender.